Hiya, it's Beth again. I'm recording this at the beginning of week 5, but I want to give you a general overview of the entire rest of the course. I think we've got about 6 weeks left. And we're going to be working on your research paper the entire time. That's one of the reasons I hope you choose a topic that you're very much interested in, that will intrigue you for this amount of time. But I want to give you a general overview of everything that's coming up. If you will look at the beginning, as I am here, of the Moodle page, you will see underneath the syllabus, I have a schedule of assignments here. And this will give us a general overview of what we've got in store for us. There we go. Now, we've already gone through week 4. We're on the second page here. And you'll see week 5, where we are now, you have 3 assignments, nothing on Wednesday, 2 assignments on Friday, where this week you are submitting a formal proposal for what you plan on doing your paper on. Not just the topic, but what you think your thesis will be and how you plan to go about researching it. Next week, you see you only have 1 assignment, but it's an important one. It's the works cited draft due. So next week, I would like you to do the bulk of your research and turn in by Sunday night. Nothing on Wednesday night, nothing on Friday night. This is next week, not this week. But on Sunday night, a draft of your works cited page. Paying attention to format, I've got plenty of resources for you that I walk you through it. Now, week 7, you only have 1 assignment too, but it's the research paper rough draft that you will do through Google Docs. I've got full instructions for you, and share them with your group members. Got full instructions for that too. Week 8, something due on Wednesday. Still, assignments are only due on either Wednesday, Friday, or Sunday. By Wednesday of the next week, so I give you half a week to peer edit at least 2 classmates. I will be grading you not only on your completion of this, but also on the quality of your comments. Then week 9 on Wednesday, your research paper is due. From week 9 on, I cannot accept late papers. I just can't. Everything is getting very, very crazy at the end of the term. Those of you who have been at Lane before know this full well. Then I want to talk to you a little bit about week 10. This is a multimodal project in which I am asking you to take your topic, your thesis for your research paper, and present it in a different genre, in a different form of literacy, to use either video or something auditory, to draw a cartoon, to do a PowerPoint presentation, a Prezi presentation, excuse me. I will give you plenty of examples for that, and I will open up that week for you very, very soon, but I want you to start thinking about it. Also, on Sunday of that week, that's week 10, which is the last full week of classes, I'm going to ask you to at least consider doing without social media for a certain amount of time, 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, whatever. You don't have to, but I am requiring you to write me about a page telling me why you chose to or why you didn't, and just a response. Just because we've been spending all these years talking about it, I'd like you to figure out what you think. And then finals week, I'm asking for a self-evaluation. This is the last writing course many of you will ever have to take. And how do you see your writing now? How do you plan to continue to improve it? I will be opening these up for you so that you can see, but this is here if you want to get an idea of what's coming up. Talk to you soon.